हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं क्रिसमस के ऊपर क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, ऐसे राइटिंग, पैराग्राफ राइटिंग, कुछ भी आप कह सकते हैं। और उसी के साथ साथ क्रिसमस फेस्टिवल के ऊपर वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स। तो आप इसके बारे में आप किसी तरीके से भी लिख सकते हो, डायरेक्ट क्रिसमस के ऊपर लिख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कैन यूज माय फेवरेट फेस्टिवल क्रिसमस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द राइटिंग। Christmas is celebrated every year across the world on 25th December to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is one of the most celebrated festivals in the world, and people around the globe start doing preparation a few days before the actual event. It is a season of joy, peace, and happiness. It is a Christian festival which is celebrated by many non-Christians too all over the world. On the Christmas Eve, people dress like Santa Claus and distribute the gifts to kids and everyone. People visit the church and offer prayers to the Lord Jesus and seek his blessings for happiness and prosperity. Many people place idol of Jesus Christ in their home or working place to celebrate the festival. Christmas is celebrated most among children and most enjoyed by them as they wear Christmas caps and costume and share the gift with their friends. Children sleep early on that day in the hope that Santa gives them gifts. The main celebration starts on 24th December at night, known as Christmas Eve. And the next day, children enjoy their gifts by Santa Claus, which were actually from their parents. Christmas reminds of the importance of giving and sharing with friends and family. आई होप आपको ये जो वीडियो है वो बहुत फ्रूटफुल रही होगी। इस तरीके से आप जो है क्रिसमस के ऊपर एक पैराग्राफ या क्रिएटिव राइटिंग या ऐसे राइटिंग लिख सकते हैं। दिस इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरीवन। So if you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video.